Hello everyone. So hopefully translation started. Okay, yeah, some issue happened. Yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome on our 20 stream about Modern Money. Yeah, I really thought that maybe I wasn't able to do it. I will not be able to do it because like some force majeure, but turn out, yeah, I resolved everything and fortunately, yeah, I was able to come home like right at time, and here is like new stream is running. As usual, first of all, disclaimer, I'm not professional Android developer or any kind of mobile developer. Yeah, all what I'm doing here is I'm studying, and looks like, yeah, I switch. Yeah, thanks for contributing. I will appreciate any contributing. There is no any contributing yet, only some feedback, but not on YouTube. So please be more active to provide some feedback, some like new feature, etc. Unfortunately, again, because of all this force majeuring, I wasn't able to do my homework, and yeah, we will do it today. But as usual, first of all, yeah, we will need to update some libraries, so we'll see how it's going. So as you can see, I switched back to like not preview but like normal IntelliJ IDEA version, and unfortunately like we cannot use it with AGP9, so I need to close it and open like this preview version to be able to work with it. Okay. So yeah, sorry, wrong project. So yeah, let's as usual start with updating. So we have new version of Compose. It's 10.1. 10.1. We have new version of Active. We have new version of Navigation, and we have new version of UI testing. Not sure that it will need us, but it's okay. So let's try to build it, and yeah, like we are updating. Yeah, let's check also Gradle. Maybe we have new version. I hope there is no new version of Kotlin. Let me recheck. It's still 2.3.10. And let's check new version. Do we have new version of Gradle? No, it's still 9.3.1. Okay, so like we're downloading a lot of stuff. Yeah, why I switch back from like IntelliJ IDEA preview version to like release one, because I like need more stable environment for my another project. Maybe I also will be able to run some streams about it, because it's quite interesting project, to be honest. It's some SDK, let's say, for Home Assistant, yeah, and because I thought how we can like integrate maybe some automation inside Modern UI, Modern Money as well. For example, I don't know, when you receive salary, you can blink your smart bulb as green, and when there is some expense in transaction, can be like red or orange. Again, it's just like some additional idea. I started this project not because of Modern Money, it's because of I'm just like building my own smart home. Maybe it will be more interesting than Modern Money, but we have to finish this project at least somehow, because I need new version of this application, and my previous which we are using is quite old. Anyway, so like let's build it. We updated everything. Yeah, it's hard for me right now to read chat, so if someone will write something, so sorry. I will open chat and will read it. Okay, yeah, still building, so let's not switch. I see some really long. Oh, okay, yeah, just mine. Mine website was stuck. Yeah, after refresh, everything is okay. I see translation almost online. Okay, it's nice. So, still building. Yeah, we have to finish today this UI for Payees with aliases, with everything, and it should be quite interesting. I'm not sure we'll have time to at least start to work with this reordering of accounts. Unfortunately, yeah, maybe we just don't have time. So like, let me slightly move my light, yeah, because it's maybe I need to make it slightly lighter, don't know. Okay, come on, why it's so long? Oh, it's running already. So sorry, yeah, I was waiting for nothing, but we had some really nice conversation. Okay, it worked. So we have everything. Yeah, we still can edit. Yeah, I need to change it. Yeah, we need to change this, and we have pay. And if we click to create, yeah, we have name, we have aliases, and select logo and cancel. So let's do it. So we don't need anymore this one. Let me just commit my changes. So all what I need is just going to the slip file and commit everything, I hope. So update libraries. Okay, so wait, let's check where we stopped. So we have our main Kotlin Modern Money UI pages and pay. So in pay details, here we have this name, fill max width. Maybe this one we don't need. Let's check how it changed our design. Yeah, now it looks much more better. Let's put something. Okay, yeah, works good. LSS can be empty, it's okay, as well as logo. Let's try to save it. Yeah, we have something. Yeah, we can delete it. So aliases, yes, we need to make sure that it's not the same. First of all, we need to add them. Yeah, we will check how it's created in our edit account. So when we call card, yeah, we have this on card panel, and we have them card view model. Yeah, So I'm afraid we have to do the same with aliases, maybe. Maybe not. So let's think. So right now, when we add it inside state, yeah, we have this update, validate, and we have UI state. Yeah. So like what we did, we don't use any DAO here. But we have car DAO here. Because we have this connection, yeah, like cards to account. Okay. Anyway, so like we check here on result, is it empty and state card, we push back. Yeah, so here we need to do the same with alias. Yeah. I guess we can use standard bill item. We don't need anything here. So we can remove it. It still will work. But yes, so what we have to do? We need to save information about alias. But also we have to call yeah, maybe it will be better to create new function. Let's put new fun add alias dialog. Okay, there is something proposed. What looks like I don't need. Yeah, it's mutable state, and maybe it's all what I need right now, this mutable state. Okay, add alias dialog. We have column, card drop down, out text. So we can just use this. Yes, of course, it should be composable function. And value it's alias. Okay, and value change, we need to provide to alias equals it. Okay, it looks better, but we have to pass it here. Yeah, so like what we need to provide at alias dialog it. Yes, we need not string and dismiss, we need this boolean string. So let's just copy it from here on result. Okay, and we need almost the same. So if alias changed, we need to verify it. Yeah, so we need launch effect alias if it's changed, and almost, yeah. So if it's now, we need to provide this information here. Yeah, but it's not. Yeah, if we would like to add. Yeah, so we need some like some validation var error equals nothing is empty. Even better, yeah, not this way, string null. If it's blank, yes, alias cannot be empty. And here we provide error dot is null or blank, but we also have to put it inside. Yes, so like we need var here and put error by yes mutable state, but it should be string empty. And now yes, we remove it here, but here we also provide error equals error, and it should be supporting text. Yes, yes, it should be supporting text. So what we can do here, create text anyway. Yeah, why not? We can do it. So yes, yes, we can keep it. Okay, nice. So right now, if we add alias, we should be able to edit. But where is the best way to check that some else already contains this aliases? Maybe we can do it here inside the alias dialog. Yeah, so maybe on main page, because dialog is just adding. So yeah, I guess it will be better to do here inside details. Yeah, so like what is wrong? Yeah, it should not be card, of course, it should be string. By the way, it also can be empty string, nullable string. Yeah, I guess it's a good way to do it. Yeah, this way. Okay, yeah. So when item added or item removed. So we should have list of aliases, yeah. Inside pay, we have aliases, and on item added, if it is not blank, if it's not blank, item added, so it's provided string. So maybe it doesn't make sense in this case, yeah. Why we have here it's T. Oh, it's after cast, yeah, so we can remove it. Okay, now it's better. And if it's not blank, view model add pay alias, yeah, so like how we did it here. Let's go to multicart and add item, it's add item, and what it's called, yes, view cart, view model add pay alias. So we need to go to view model, it's our pay view model, yeah. And here we need to, yeah, we have pay name, we need add pay alias. So we copy entity alias plus alias also self. Yes, okay, what is wrong here? add currency. Yeah, it's interesting. But let's keep it as it is. Okay. We need add alias and we need to remove alias, of course. Minus alias. Okay, looks good. So what we have to do now? We need to found inside our database. Do we have any alias, any other pay with the same aliases? Yeah, and it should be almost the same as we did for almost like banks. Yeah, so here we fetch our old banks, but here it's slightly more. So we need to build some tree maybe, yeah, because if we have just map, it will be not so fast. So it's better to revert it, yeah. So we have to go through all aliases and build list of aliases. Does not really like it, but yeah, well, let's try to do it. We'll see how it will going. So what we need to do, we need to go to down and we have all aliases. Yes, it's nice. So we need to, when we edit, if we edit the same, I guess it will be, so alias here where it is, add aliases. So it's list, so we can edit, but if we already have it, yeah, we shall not edit as well. But here we use set selected items. Yeah, why we use set? Selected items. Yeah, because we cannot select the same item twice. Yeah. So we can have drop down with items, but for dialog, yeah, we don't have this items at all. Expand items and item add expand. Yeah, here we just use empty list for dialog, yeah. And here we don't use it. Yeah, we can maybe change it in future if we will need, but that's why we have drop down, not dialog, but yeah. Okay, so first of all, we need to check duplicates. What we can do pay.aliases.group. Group by it. Okay, looks good. So, and now where we have our account. So we should do the same. Yeah, we have We don't have it. But we should have it here. So we need to provide is error. No, what the hell? Is error. And supporting text, of course. No. Okay. Looks nice. Let's check how it works. So we add new one. Let's call it guess station. And as alias, alias cannot be empty. We add JS and it doesn't work. Okay, let's understand why. So here we have launch effect, yeah, and value change it. Okay, else error equals null. Looks like this is issue. Did I switch? No. So guess station aliases GS. Okay, can remove it. Let's call guess. Okay, but right now what happened? Just stopped to work, so it's not bug, one bug. Yeah, it's some like I checked logs, see nothing. Okay, just need maybe to restart. Okay, it looks like bug of emulator. So looks like I need to restart it. Sorry about it. Yeah, let's check it with one count right now. Yeah, still doesn't work. Okay, let me try to restart it somehow. Yeah, it works, but after I turn off, maybe just rotation will help. No. And I cannot restart it from here, unfortunately. So I need to go to devices. I don't know why we don't see running devices here. Okay, it's here, so we need to stop it. And let's run cold boot. Yeah, it will take some time, but at least it will reload everything. Yeah, it's integrated here. Can I do this? No? What? How can? So it's integrated right now in my IntelliJ IDE and I have no idea how to extract it. No, it's window. It's not what I want. I want to have it separated. Okay, let me stop it again. But yeah, it started faster right now. Just opening my Android Studio. By some reason from Android Studio, I can run it as standalone device, not integrated inside. Okay, it's here. So, what? Yeah, sorry about it. Let me switch back. What the hell is going on? Okay, nice. And again. Oh my goodness. So it should be nothing right now. Okay. And now I run this again and switch. And okay, finally. So yeah, just building. Missing statement. What? Why? Okay. Yeah, it's I still try to play with why I don't see right now. Oh my gosh, let me stop it. Yeah, sorry about that. When I'm on rush, yeah, it can happen. So yeah, now it's connected, so I can finally run on my phone emulator. Yeah, maybe we just finished this alias today and not and wasn't able to work with this reordering, unfortunately. But yeah, at least pay will be done. Yes, it's already running, I know it. And what? Did you start? Attached to it. What? Don't run it attached to it. I didn't have any problems previously with it, so I don't know what is going on. So sorry about it. Just have to restart again my IntelliJ IDEA. And it's still not connected. Okay, let's do one more time. As usual, first I run my Android Studio. Maybe now it will be better to run IntelliJ IDEA. So you should be able to see it, yeah? Okay. And now start emulator. No, it doesn't see it. Okay, I need to find maybe some Java or another. Yeah, we have this ADB. Let's stop it. Okay. Yeah, simulator was terminated. It's nice. Let's start again. And let's start Android Studio IntelliJ IDEA. I really don't want to restart a lot of things. But looks like something okay. We have this emulator. File system and process. Do we have something else? OpenGDK platform. Let's also kill it. Okay, looks like I killed everything what can be. Yeah, this ADB also. Okay, I started emulator again. I open IntelliJ IDEA. And it's not connected. Okay, while it doesn't work here, we just can switch to Android Studio. So sorry about that. Let's switch to Android Studio. Everything is okay here, so let's build it. Okay. Android Studio told me that yes, you need another version of Android. Let's use 9.0.0. Okay, and now I finally can run it. Let's switch to emulator. Yeah, still building. What? Device is already activating. Yes, I activated it through. No problema, let's stop it. Yeah, sorry about that. And it still doesn't work, or what? Waiting, devices online. Device is online. Yeah, definitely something bad happened with. Stop, stop. How I can stop you? It's running again, again, and again. I'm just checking, do I have something to stop? Yeah, looks like it will be a really short stream after I will remove all these problems, yeah. By the way, let me check comments. Yes, don't send any statistic. Okay. Let's run on phone. Running phone, running process still. Okay, so let's try to find this process. Okay, it's camel. So I killed it. Yeah, finally. Okay, we have emulator. Waiting for all target devices to come online. It is online. What are we waiting for? EDB is here. Oh my goodness. I just don't know what I can kill more. What is wrong? So I killed Java. It looks like I need to restart, but in this case I need to stop stream, and that's what I don't want to do. But maybe it's better just to waiting. Okay, let's do another way. Yeah, let's run Android Studio, and let's just finish without any testing. At least we can test it on desktop. By the way, let's see how it works on desktop. You know what I'm doing? I run. Yeah, but I have this missing parameter. I didn't switch. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here is Payee, create gas station alias gs. Okay, alias gas. Okay, let's try to add again gs. Okay, alias must be unique, and we cannot delete anything because selected is set. Yeah, so we need to rewrite behavior. So what we can do, we can add aliases, check if it already contains it. Yeah, we cannot have problem with this validation in this case. Yeah, because when we add JS, when we add gas, and when we add JS again, just nothing happened. Yeah, but yeah, we have gas station. So let's save it. Okay, yeah, we have gas, JS, and gas. Okay, looks more or less nice. So let's switch to Android Studio. What we should do now? Yeah, we need to fetch the same way as we did for bank. We need to fetch all but not banks, of course. We need pay down all pays. Yes, we need this private all pay all pays aliases and it should be not mutable list, it will be mutable map of, and we need to have string and string. Yeah, maybe use map here is not so beautiful, but it will be fast to search. Yeah, so what we need to here, we need all bank to map. Yeah, and all the aliases dot add dot put all, and what we need here, we need it dot map and why map it flow instruction but not use it. Yeah, it's not map, it's collect. And in this case, it should be yes. So we need to take all aliases and map them. So it should be like flat map or what? Flat map it dot aliases to it dot okay, let's do another way. So we have collect, inside it we can use it dot so it's list of pays. So we need map. We can use here for each. and now we use it dot aliases dot for each all pay aliases dot put it alias not alias payee it to payee dot name. Okay. So can we somehow, why we need indexes here? Not sure. Okay, but it will work. And now here we can validate all place alias dot contains key pay dot aliases. Yeah, we should do it somewhere else, but okay. So yeah, empty map. So we need to to find that it's what is the best way to do it? Okay, let's do it force, brute force again. So if alias keys any opposite way, if pay dot aliases dot any aliases contains key it, so what we have to do, we have found it. So we need somehow take aliases which we have inside all pays aliases. Yeah, so we need like all pay aliases dot filter or first. Okay, we can use filter pay dot aliases contains it dot key dot let so we filter its map, yes, but we need contains key. Why would I cannot take first? First not null off. Okay, filter 0. No, values 0. We have map, return a new map contains all key value pairs matching. So we have map. Okay, can we take first have keys and we have values. Values is collection. First, finally, dot. Why? First, it should be what? It should be string. Okay. So we need aliases. Aliases must be unique. Alias is already exists in here. But yeah, here we can do it smart. So we need to take it as alias alias. Okay, it's okay, but we don't need this case. So in this case, alias, and we put here alias dot key. So we need still first here somehow. Do we have to list? Okay, we have to map, but we don't have first. Okay, let's do to list and first, and in this case here it will be first and exist in alias dot second. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't need return. Okay, should work this way. Let's try to do it. Yeah, I know it's ugly, but it should work. So we have guest station. Let's create new one and call it, I don't know, gastronomic space. And we try to add JS, and alias.js is reading this in gas station. Nice, we can remove it. But, and we can save it. But right now, if we edit gastronomic station, we have unknown error. Okay, I guess it will be good homework. Sorry about problem which we face with emulator. Hopefully it will not happen it again. I need to recheck why it happened and how I can fix it. Anyway, we almost finished our Payee UI. As you can see, it again took 1 hour just to add validation, etc. But 20 minutes we fight with emulator. So after I will remove all this useless minutes, let's say, yeah, stream will be shorter. But anyway, it was some progress here. Hopefully next week I will have more time and it will not be rushed before my stream. But so far, thanks everyone who joined, who watched, and see you next week, hopefully. Bye everyone.